Hi friends, how are you doing today? This is Mr. Raman Singh, your IELTS trainer, and why I have made this video. Actually, I need your help. I need your help so that I can help you in return. Well, I got to know about this new cue card from one of our students, but I really cannot authenticate it. I need your help to authenticate it. Yes, that you too have heard about this cue card, or you too know a student to whom the examiner asked this cue card, or you yourself have taken the IELTS exam and the examiner asked you this cue card, because it sounds pretty absurd because such kind of cue cards usually IELTS do not ask. But if it is the cue card and yes, the examiner are asking, we will definitely move ahead and prepare the sample answers undoubtedly. But first, I would really love to get your consent. I would really appreciate if from your resources you can authenticate yes that this was the cue card to one of the students. So let's quickly check out the cue card. And the cue card is talk about a gangster, So talking about a gangster is something quite unique that if the examiners would ask, because something like this has never been asked in the IELTS exam. So it is my humble request to all of you that please let me know if you know any authentic source. Authentic source would only be the student who himself has taken the IELTS speaking exam, or it would be you who have taken the exam and you know for sure that examiner had asked this cue card to one of the students or maybe to you as well. I would really appreciate if you reply in the comment section so that I can move ahead and prepare the sample answer and share with you guys on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. Take care of yourself. Are you an IELTS aspirant? Are you living out of India? Are you looking forward to purchase IELTS Speaking Booster, the book containing the latest content of the IELTS speaking exam that the examiner can ask you in any part of the world in less than 30 seconds. This video will demonstrate how you can purchase Speaking Booster in less than 30 seconds that would be containing the latest content of the IELTS speaking exam that the examiner can ask you during the IELTS exam no matter where you are. To purchase Speaking Booster, even if you are not living in India, you need to download IELTS coaching application on your Android phone. If you're an Apple user, please download ClassPlus and enter the ORG code IELTS. To register on this application, you have to enter your email ID on which you will get the OTP, and once you register, you will see the home screen something like this. Click on Store at the bottom and then on Speaking Booster. At the bottom, you need to click on Buy Now, and once you click on it, it would prompt you to choose a state. Since you're not living in India, choose Others as it would reflect only Indian states. And once on the payment page, you can choose debit or credit card payment option. There are few wallet and other digital payment modes as well, like Google Pay if you use that. Otherwise, simply using your debit or credit card, you can make the payment. Although the price reflects in INR, that is Indian National Rupees, still you can make the payment and the amount would be converted automatically without charging anything additional. Now waste no time and purchase Speaking Booster. The direct link of Speaking Booster ebook is also available in the description of this video that you can click now.